You understand English, but can't speak it? This video will change that. Hello everyone. Welcome to Simple English in Real Life. I'm your host for today, Mohit. Today we will listen to a conversation between Aman and his sister Kavya. They will speak in simple English about their daily routines about travel, food, and life in Delhi. If you want to learn English through simple everyday conversations, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel.
Didi, I don't understand one thing. How do you travel every day in Delhi traffic and still reach office on time?
Simple, I don't fight traffic. I use the metro.
Okay, that sounds smart. But I've always been confused about metro routes.
Oh really? They are not so confusing once you start traveling more. Today I'll explain everything, and we can also practice English while talking to each other.
Sounds great. So Didi, tell me, how do you go to office every day?
The metro is fast, reliable, and saves time. I leave my house early in the morning. I usually listen to music or a podcast during my travel. Sometimes I also check my emails on the way.
Where do you start from?
I start from Green Park Metro Station.
Okay, I know that station.
Good. From Green Park I take the yellow line.
It goes towards Gurugram, right?
Exactly. I travel towards Ifko Chowk.
That must be a lot of stations.
Yes, the journey is a bit long, but it's very convenient. I reach my office early every day. That's because the metro is almost always on time.
Wow! You sound like an expert. Can you explain how you use the metro step by step?
Sure. First, I enter the station and go through the security check. Then I tap my metro card at the gate. After that, I go to the platform.
Platform means the place where you wait for the train, right?
Exactly. Good job.
I'm still learning.
Then I take the yellow line train towards Gurugram. I usually get a seat.
Lucky you. I've seen the metro getting very crowded.
Yes, during rush hours it gets very crowded.
Rush hour means busy time?
Yes, when many people are traveling.
Got it.
Then I get down at my station in Gurugram and walk to my office.
And do you ever miss your station?
Once or twice, when I was busy on my phone.
Classic. Totally expected out of you.
Did you notice how Kavya used simple and effective sentences to describe how she travels to work? Let's practice these sentences. Repeat after me. I use the Delhi metro. I leave my house early in the morning. I start from Green Park Metro Station. I usually get a seat. Let's add more details to these sentences. Repeat after me. I use the Delhi metro to go to work every day. I leave my house early in the morning so I can avoid the rush. I start from Green Park Metro Station to go to Ifko Chowk. I usually get a seat if I go early. Well done. Let's continue listening to their conversation.
Aman, what about you? How do you get to college?
My life is easy. I live in the hostel, so I usually walk.
That's convenient.
Yes, but sometimes I take an auto if I'm getting late.
Late, that happens a lot, right?
You know me too well.
Okay. Let's talk about food now. How do you manage your meals every day?
I eat in the hostel mess.
How many meals a day do you have there?
3 times a day. Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
That's easy. But is the food good?
Sometimes yes, sometimes no.
That was an honest reply. I like that.
What about you?
My routine is different. I make my own breakfast.
That's impressive.
It's simple. I usually make something quick like toast or eggs.
And lunch?
I have lunch in the office canteen.
And how do you manage food at night?
Sometimes I eat in the office again, or I order food at home.
Great conversation. Let's practice some more sentences together. Repeat after me. Sometimes I take an auto. I eat in the hostel mess. I make my own breakfast. I eat in the office canteen. Well done. Now let's make these sentences better by adding more details. Repeat after me. Sometimes I take an auto if I'm late. I eat in the hostel mess 3 times a day. I usually make eggs and toast for breakfast. I eat in the office canteen twice a day. Excellent. These are very useful daily sentences.
So Aman, I heard you're improving your English these days.
Yes. I have started watching Simple English in real life.
Is that a YouTube channel?
Yes. The language is simple, and I can understand it easily.
Do you practice with someone?
Yes, I practice with my friend Kajal.
That's the best way to learn.
We try to speak in English daily, even if we make mistakes. Sometimes it feels difficult, but I'm improving slowly. So I feel the best way to learn is to just start speaking.
Absolutely. You should not be afraid of mistakes. Practice regularly. Consistency is key.
Great job, everyone. Today you learned how to talk about your daily routine, metro travel, and food habits. Now it's your turn. Tell us in the comment section. Where do you live? And how do you travel to your school, college, or office? Try to reply in 4 to 5 simple sentences. Don't worry about mistakes. Practice is more important than perfection. If you enjoyed today's episode, make sure to subscribe to our channel, Simple English in Real Life, and press the bell icon. Don't forget to like this video and share it with your friends and family. Keep practicing, keep learning, and I'll see you in the next episode. Bye.